Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a California Carnivores Green Friday sale unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing the contents of my order, stay tuned. California Carnivores is located in Sebastopol, California. It is important to note that during this time of the year, the Venus Flytraps that I purchased will be dormant. I placed my order during their 30% off Green Friday sale. The following Wednesday, I received two orders, the order from California Carnivores and another order from Jeremiah Harris. So if you're interested in seeing the contents of that order, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you're notified when that video goes up. Okay, so let's begin with the unboxing. When you open your order, you will notice that it comes with the invoice, a sticker. I'm obsessed with Venus Flytraps, so I'm glad that I finally received this sticker. The stickers are also available on their website as a 4-pack for $7.99. You will also receive a card with a QR code that will lead you to their website for plant care instructions. As you remove your items from the box, you will notice that each item comes individually wrapped. I ordered 4 different Venus Flytrap cultivars. When you remove the paper wrapping, you will notice that California Carnivores adds a dormancy disclaimer on each of their items. This is to remind you that during dormancy, your plant may appear quite small, but it will begin to grow during spring. In order for Venus Flytraps to survive long term, they must have a dormancy period every year. Venus Flytraps go dormant during winter when they experience shorter periods of sun and colder temperatures. During this period, it is normal for traps to turn black and die back to the rhizome. It is also important to not overwater your Venus Flytraps during winter dormancy. You want to make sure that the soil is damp but not too wet, since having it be too wet can cause root rot. The first item is this alien Venus Flytrap cultivar. This is one that has been on my list since I started getting into carnivorous plants. Alien has large, long traps in a tight rosette. Because of their shape, they may not close properly and may have a hard time catching their prey. And this is one of the reasons why I did not purchase this cultivar at the beginning. But now I know that I can give the plant diluted fertilizer at least once a month, and I'm excited to see it grow. California Carnivores does an amazing job packing your orders. They make sure that they are protected from everything and everyone, including myself. I am using a blade, but as you can see, I'm still having a hard time opening it. I am glad that they make sure that my package will survive everything it's put through. This next cultivar is Haircomb. It has short petioles and long arched traps. I'm often attracted to Venus Flytrap cultivars because of their name. In this case, I thought that Haircomb would be a good addition to my mirror and lips and lashes cultivars that I previously purchased from Maggie's Shop of Horror. This next cultivar caught my attention at the Southern California Carnivores Plant Enthusiast Show in July, but unfortunately, the plant was not for sale. This Venus flytrap cultivar is called Sunrise. The traps have a red color at the interior of the trap that looks lighter as you reach the green lashes. I don't know about you guys, but I like when the moss covers the top of the pots like this. And lastly, we have Dragon's Breath. Dragon's Breath is a brand new flytrap cultivar from California Carnivores. It's an improvement from the Schuppenstiel cultivar. Fun fact, Schuppenstiel actually means scale stalk in German. Just like Schuppenstiel, this cultivar has the lizard skin scaling on the petioles that may look more pronounced as the flytrap gets older. Unlike Schuppenstiel, Dragon's Breath has a dark red interior and red eyelashes with the white tips. I'm going to be adding the name tags to each of the Venus flytrap cultivars to make sure that I remember which one is which. If you're interested in purchasing any of the items that I unboxed today, I will make sure to leave the links in the description box below. And if you have not watched it already, I did upload another California Carnivores unboxing prior to this video, where you'll find the information for these two additional items. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and set my new cultivars on a tray and add a little bit of distilled water. It is important to only use rainwater, distilled water, or reverse osmosis water for your Venus flytraps. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And I will see you guys on the next one.